In this short video, I'll show you how to send yourself an email using Python. For example, I have this code written out here that uses Notifox to send an email, and we'll execute this. Python 3 example.py, and that ran successfully. So we'll go to our inbox and refresh our inbox, and there we go. We have our email. So let me show you how to do this. In order to send this email, we're using Notifox. And so you need to have a Notifox account. I have a video linked in the description, probably all the way at the top, that shows you how to set up your account, your audience, and your API token. This is very simple and will only take you a couple of minutes. You can either do that now or go back to that later. But in order to use the Notifox Python SDK, we need to import Notifox. And we also need to obviously pip install Notifox. So we'll do pip install Notifox, and that will install the latest version of Notifox, in this case 0.1.5. Then we need to create a client that will allow us to talk to Notifox. So we'll do client is equal to notifox.notifox client. And this client will automatically read the Notifox API key variable from our environment. And so make sure to set that by doing export Notifox API key is equal to, and then your API key, which you can get from the Notifox console. Next up, we actually are already ready to start sending an alert. So we can do client.send_alert. And in order to send an alert, we need three different parameters. First of all, we need to say who we want to send this alert to. So the audience is equal to me. This is a pre-configured audience that contains your email. You can always use this one. Then we want to tell Notifox how we want to send this alert, meaning the channel, whether or not we want to receive this via email or SMS. We can say channel is equal to notifox.email. And then lastly, what do we want to send to ourselves via Notifox? And that is the alert. And this can be anything. So I'm going to say, hello from Notifox. Oh, Notifox. There we go. And that's it, right? We're ready to start sending emails. We'll do Python 3 main.py, and that will send us this email into our inbox. Let's refresh this, and there we go. Hello from Notifox. There's some more things we can do here. For example, we can capture the response, and then we can print that out to get some more information. For example, the cost, the encoding, the length, and whatnot. Let's send this alert again, and we'll see it prints out the message ID, the cost, the currency, the amount of characters, etc. Because we're using Notifox, and I have already pre-configured the me audience to also have my SMS, we can also say channel is equal to notifox.sms. And this is a little bit extra for you to know, but we can run Python 3 main.py, and that will send us a text. There we go. It has sent us this text. I don't know if you can read it, but it truly did. And that's how easy it is to send yourself alerts using Python and Notifox. If you had any questions about this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Alternatively, you can also join our Discord server using the link in the description, where we will be happy to help you out and answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. My name is Mathis. Thanks for watching.